Whoa there. Come on, easy now.
Whoa! Ah! Watch out!
Hi, Maggie.
Be right with you, Shane. I hope. I found the hay. Right where you said it would be.
I didn't know you started keeping donkeys.
I don't. Penny found this one when she was out on a nature walk with Honey and Jay.
Why don't you take him to the local donkey sanctuary?
Oh, we did. But they don't have enough money to look after any more donkeys.
I wonder if we can help. Ah! We could hold a sponsored run. I'm sure people would love to get involved. All we need is for someone to sign up first and get the ball rolling.
Don't look at me.
Well, what about you, Shane?
Me? All right.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Your raspberries look lovely, Maggie.
Try one.
These are great. They'll win first prize for the best fruit for sure.
As long as Jolly doesn't get to them first. Shoo, Jolly! Off you go! Get out! Get out of it! Go on! Dear me.
Wow! Is that your pumpkin for the best vegetable competition? It's bigger than my marrow.
Maybe. But the judges will be looking at all kinds of things, Izzy. Hey, why don't you give it a last polish while I load up the van?
Good idea. Come on, Marrow. You can grow.
Better get my skates on.
No need for skates. Not with my magnificent pronto peeler.
Sizzling saucepans. Wow! I mean, what?
Just pop your veggies in here and let the pronto peeler do the rest.
Okay. Well, let's give it a go.
To you, Eddie. Whoops.
Hey, be careful. Oh, are you okay?
Sorry, Izzy. What's that? And why are you talking to it?
It's my marrow. I'm trying to make it grow bigger in time for the show, but it doesn't seem to be working.
What's a marrow?
It's a vegetable, Mario.
You know, my mama sometimes sings to her flowers to make them grow. We could try that.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Oh, lovely marrow, please grow for Izzy. If she doesn't win a prize, she'll get in a tizzy.
Mario! The pumpkin! Phew, that was close.
Eddie.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Quick, let's catch those hens!
And if you find any eggs, bring them back here.
Oh no, stay! Oh, wait, don't go!
Gotcha! Oh. Hey!
Are you over here? Ah! Here we go. Come out wherever you are. There you are.
Oi, you know I can see you. Whoa! Oops! Oh, this isn't working.
Aha! There you are.
Hey? Hey? Oh, I'm hungry.
I give up. I've lost them. Whoa! Yes!
Thanks, Mario.
There you are.
There. That's all of them. Thanks, everyone.
And thanks for all these eggs. I'd better get cooking or it'll be lunchtime soon.
Scrambled eggs coming up.
You must never wander off again, hens. Do you hear me?
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Any sign of the red-billed chuff, Dad?
Not yet, Jay. But keep your eyes and ears open and...
Dad, that sounds like...
Like a woodpecker using a drill.
Or a seagull riding a motorbike.
It's coming from over there. Over there. We're getting closer. No, this way, I think.
He's in the asparagus again, Maggie.
Shh! Quietly, Shane.
We've got him. Ah!
Oh.
Oh. Ah! Hey, come back here, you. Gotcha. Oh, no, I haven't. This could take all day.
Hey, what is that?
It's JG's drone.
JG's what?
Watch out! Don't you worry, I'll catch it. Gotcha! Whoa! Maggie, help me! Oh, pulling me! Oh no! What's it doing? Oh no! Wait!
I'll help you, Shane. Oh no! Oh.
Thanks, Maggie.
Well, whatever this is, that crow doesn't like it.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
We've got some tomatoes, fresh off the vine, and peas so fresh they're still in their pods.
Ooh.
Shane, are you feeling all right?
Your peas will look great in my new video. In fact, I bet your whole vegetable garden's looking lovely. Let's go see. Right, in your own time, Maggie.
Okay, here goes. Well, here is where I grow the vegetables that Shane uses in his kitchen.
Keep going, keep going.
Just look at these peas. Oh, no, sorry, they're over here. Oh.
Oh, that's great. You know what? I'm getting to be a bit of an expert at this.
Shane, mind, watch the gate. Oh. Uh-oh.
Hey? Oh, no! Hey, come back here, you. I'm gonna get you.
Oh, pig!
Here he is, Shane the chef.
I'll follow these prints to find Pig. Oh, there he is! Gotcha! Oh. Oh, there he is! Oh. That's got to be you this time, Pig. Oh, not again! More chickens!
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Here you go, Mario.
I hope you've got a good football recipe, Shane.
Well, I don't think I'm going to need it. Ta-da!
Look, Mama! It's just like the Italian flag. Yum.
That's something I thought I would never see.
So, Mario, do I win our bet?
Yes, it's yummy.
I heard you'd found Pig, but where is he? Please tell me he hasn't wandered off again.
You don't have to worry about that anymore, Maggie. Look!
I don't believe it! Oh, he's going nowhere so long as opera is playing.
Puccini. That would be a great name for him. Much better than plain old Pig.
What do you think, Pig? Would you rather be Puccini?
Puccini the pig it is.
Yes, thank you, Eddie. We've already found him.